In today's tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to sync the audio from two video clips in Premiere Pro. Let's get started. For this tutorial, I will use these two clips. In my early years as a video editor, I would try to sync the audio files manually by visually syncing the sound waves. However, there is a tool that Premiere Pro has available, and that's the Synchronize Clips tool. To use that tool, let's select both of the clips. Do right mouse click and select Synchronize. A window will appear. It will have these two options, but I want to use the third option below. I want to sync my video clips using the audio track. I will make sure the audio track reference is track channel 1. For those who don't know, it will be this track layer here. And now select OK. Perfect. You can see how both clips are now synced. You now know how to sync audio tracks from two different video clips in Premiere Pro. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Till the next one.